Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. One of the things I used to love most was smoking. No, not smoking. I mean smoking, meat smoking. I used to have an awesome smoker when I was a homeowner. I had the room to do it, but now that I'm in an apartment, I really can't. But I do have a grill. So I found this little device. This is the box. This is the actual. You'll see that there's holes in it. And you load it up with wood chips or pellets. And you put it in your grill while your grill's off, or depending on what you're smoking. And this smokes, and it's supposed to last for a couple hours. So I'm going to give it a quick try this morning because it's not that warm out just yet. So I figure if I can smoke some cheese, of course you don't want any heat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in the grill, and with the grill off and with this activated. So what we're going to do is we're going to fill this up to probably about here with pellets, smoking pellets. We're going to light it. We're going to let it burn for about 5-10 minutes before we blow it out, and then we're going to put it in the grill. So let's see if this works. Okay, so I'm going to do a mozzarella. Of course, these are coming out of the package. I'm going to do a Monterey Jack. I'm going to do a horseradish, smoked horseradish. That'd be interesting. And I'm going to do a cheddar. Okay, got a torch here. Remove the torch. Okay, so I used the torch to light the tube. We're going to let that burn for about 10 minutes. Okay, so we got our cheese arranged on its edge, and it's been going for a couple minutes. Give it a couple more minutes, and then we'll blow it out and put it in the smoker. All right, the thing with this is you don't want this to get too hot, otherwise the cheese will melt. And so we're going to monitor the temperature. If we have to put a tray of ice in here to keep it cool, then that's what we're going to do. I think this is ready, so we're going to blow it out. I'm going to put it on its edge here, and we're going to close the top. And it's going to go like that for a couple hours. So we'll check in on it later. I've been going for about 5 minutes. I'm just going to check the temperature real quick. Well, the metal is about 60 something degrees. We want to make sure that doesn't get up too high. We're about a half hour in, and the temperature still looks good. I'm not even going to bother showing you the temperature, but let's take a look under the... It's still going pretty good. Okay, so I smoked the cheese for about 2 hours. I kind of moved the tube under it. There wasn't enough clearance, so a little bit of heat came off of it. So I got a little bit of deformed cheese. So you'll see how it started to melt, but I caught it in time. And you'll see this is the mozzarella, and it I think that's because of the heat. But anyway, so what we do now is no, we don't eat it now, otherwise I taste it. I'm dying to taste it. But they say you gotta let it sit a couple days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wrap this in some plastic wrap, and then probably put it in a couple baggies and put it in the fridge for a couple days, and let's see what happens. So anyway, there we go. Smoked cheese, cold smoke, my first attempt. Next time I'll know to do things a little bit different, like just don't move the tube under it because it gives off a little bit of heat. So anyway, this is John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef. Thanks for stopping by.